Guess what time it is? It's giveaway time. Hey family! Welcome back. This is Jasmine. This is Jazzi Does It. So today I'm going to talk about this giveaway that I want to give to you guys because you guys are showing me so much love. I mean, I swear to God, my family is the best family I could ever ask for, and I mean, you guys made me cry. It was so amazing, the love that and support that I'm getting from y'all. I want to make sure that I give back and show my appreciation. So I get a lot of DMs and I get a lot of messages about, how do I do this project or how do I do this project, but not everybody has the funds to do any of these projects. So I want to give away a $100 gift card to one of my subbies every month. I plan on doing this, and depending on how this goes, it could grow. It could be multiple people every month. It could be more money. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but I'm trying it out this month to see how this works out. So how it's going to work is I'm going to need you to share your favorite video on any one of your social media accounts. I need you to like the video. I need you to subscribe, and I want you to write in the comments that this is the video that you are entering in to win the gift card for. So what the gift card is going to be, it's going to be $100. Depending on the video is going to depend on what kind of gift card it is. If, for example, if you like the farmhouse table video, I will send you a $100 gift card to Home Depot or Lowe's so that you can get the materials that you need to build your own. Or if you like the dresser video, I will send you a $100 gift card or however much I plan to send to make your dresser so that you can buy all the things that you need to buy off Amazon so that you can make your own dresser. I plan on doing this, like I said, for one subscriber a month, and depending on how the love goes, it might be 2 people, it might be $50 for this person, or $50 for this person, or $100 for this person, or $100 for this person. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this is just my gift to you. But what I know for sure is it's going to be at least one person every month for $100, depending on which video. Again, the rules are you share the video, like the video, be a subscriber, and also comment down below giveaway so that I know that this is the video that you want to be entered in to win the gift card to help you do this DIY as well. Also, make sure you put something in the comment that I know how to contact you. So, like again, your Instagram handle will work, your Snapchat handle will work, TikTok, what else? An email, old school phone numbers. I mean, you don't want everybody to know your number, but you get what I'm saying here. Let me make it easy for you. I'm gonna throw in some little tabs up top so that it's easy for you to get to your video that you like. So if you like the dresser video, just select now. And if you like the vanity video, you can go ahead and hit that button right now. If you like the farmhouse table video, hit that button right now. If you like the mirror video, the one with the lights, you can select this button right now. Or if you like the other mirror video, the one that's all blinged out, hit it, hit it, hit it. Or the DIY chandelier, right there. Again, guys, I love you so much. I mean, love you, mean it. You guys mean so much to me, and this is my appreciation to you, so that I hope that we can keep this party going and we can keep doing these DIYs together, because I'm having the time of my life right now. I promise you that I am. and I look forward every weekend to taking the time off of work to do these things for you and making these videos and showing you how to make different things and giving you tips and tricks on how to do things. I just want to keep giving you great content, and I just want to, like I said, return the love back that you guys are showing me. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.